Dr. Phil said it plain. Now the city's feeling pain. Mandami's Robin Hood swinging that blade again. Steal from the rich, give to the poor. Watch the whole damn neighborhood bleed on the floor. Mandami's Robin Hood will destroy us all. Tax the rich till the rich are gone. Watch the city fall. You don't redistribute, you reduce it for one and all. Mandami's Robin Hood will destroy us all.
Florida sun calling, yachts leaving the dock, empty streets in New York. Tick tock, tick tock.
125,000 ghosts already fled to Florida sun. Took 14 billion with them, now the damage is done. Top 1%, just 41,000 strong. Pay over 40% of the taxes, singing their song. Top 10% carry 2/3 of the load. But Mandami swinging,
Raise it high on the road.
from 388 to 588, plus 8 more on the mill. Corporate tax jumping to 11. How you think that feels? Death tax blade coming down from 7.1 mil straight to 750K. Now your house is on the grill. Mom and pop's 401K. The family home you built, cross that line and half is gone. Thanks for the guilt, he says. Tax the rich, fund the dream. Free buses, childcare supreme. But the base is tiny, only 7%. Got $500,000 in the same. 58% sitting under 10 grand saved. So who you really robbing when the golden geese fly away? Mandami's Robin Hood will destroy us all. One rich guy sails south, whole ecosystem dies. Suppliers, employees, landlords, restaurants say goodbye. 8,400 businesses shutting 1/4 alone. No more spark, no more taxes, just an empty throne. You lose the jobs, you lose the revenue, you lose the glow. Schools go dark, streets get mean, that's the Robin Hood show. Equal opportunity, not equal outcomes in the end. But Mandami's playing God and the city's about to bend. Only 7% above 500K, the rest ain't got the cake. So who pays when they break you? Punish success, you punish the engine that drives. Now the poor got nothing and nobody thrives. Dr. Phil warned us, I'm telling you now, nightmare coming fast. Mandami's Robin Hood turning gold to ash. Mandami's Robin Hood will destroy us all.
Destroy us all, destroy us all.
Reduce it, don't redistribute, hear the sirens call.
Hey, hey, hey.
Yachts in the south, empty towers tall. Mandami's Robin Hood destroy us all. Yeah, thanks Mandami. The party's done. New York bleed out under the Florida sun.